In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock transactions using the lock date feature on Xero, a fantastic tool for businesses looking to enhance their financial management and maintain record accuracy. Once you're logged in, you'll be welcomed into your Xero dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your financial information and settings. It's a great idea to take a moment here and get comfortable with the layout and features available. This familiarity will certainly pay off, helping you navigate more efficiently in the future. On your dashboard, go ahead and locate your company name, then click on it. This action opens up a new page, offering access to various settings that are relevant to your company's financial operations. In this settings menu, you'll notice different options available. The one you're interested in is the settings option, so go ahead and click on that. As you navigate through, you might see a section that hints at moving toward the advanced settings. This is exactly where we want to head next, so give that a click as well. The advanced settings contain several options that allow you to fine-tune your financial operations, so it's always beneficial to explore these settings further whenever you have some spare time. In the advanced settings, your goal is to find the section labeled Financial Settings. Clicking on this will reveal more detailed information regarding your company's accounting practices. At this point, your next destination is the Lock Dates section. This feature is crucial if you want to finalize and secure past financial transactions, ensuring that no unwanted changes can accidentally disrupt your financial statements. Now that you're at the Lock Dates interface, it's time to set up the desired lock dates for your transactions. This involves carefully selecting both the oldest date you wish to lock and the current lock date moving forward. Put some thought into choosing these dates, as they determine the transactions that will be secured and protected from further modifications. Once you've selected the appropriate lock dates, make sure to click on Save. This step is essential to ensure all your changes are stored and that your past transactions are now securely locked and safe from further amendments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to lock transactions on Xero with precision. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to take even greater control over your financial management using Xero. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time.